It's kind of wild to think about, but we spend something like 90% of our entire lives indoors. But what if the state of those spaces, our rooms, our homes, was having a way bigger impact on us than we ever realized? Today, we're not just talking about chores. No, we're talking about power, the surprising power of being clean.
So, just think about that for a second. What if that simple, everyday act of tidying up could genuinely improve your health, sharpen your focus, and even give your mood a serious boost? Because you see, understanding this connection, well, it can make a real difference in your day-to-day life. Let's dig in and see how.
So, first question, why even bother cleaning? I mean, really? Well, beyond what we can just see with our eyes, the benefits run surprisingly deep. They affect our minds and our bodies in ways you might not expect at all.
Believe it or not, our brains are literally wired to prefer order. When a space is clean and organized, it actually reduces the strain on our minds, freeing up all this mental energy and allowing us to focus better. On the flip side, a messy, cluttered room can actually raise our stress levels. So the difference isn't just about how it looks, it's totally biological. Now, to really understand this power, we need to stop looking at cleanliness as just one single thing. It's way bigger than that. It really exists in three separate but totally interconnected areas. So think of total cleanliness like a pie, made up of three equal, super important slices. You've got your personal hygiene, the state of your home, and the care we give to our shared environment. Each one is absolutely crucial, and they all work together to support a healthy, well-balanced life. First up, let's talk about personal hygiene. This is our most immediate line of defense against getting sick. And honestly, it's incredibly effective. In fact, simple things like washing your hands the right way can prevent about 20% of common respiratory infections. It's the foundation of everything. Next, we're going to widen that circle to home cleaning. This is all about creating a true sanctuary for yourself. A clean home doesn't just look better, it can actually improve the quality of your sleep and significantly cut down on allergy symptoms just by getting rid of dust and dander. And finally, the third piece of the puzzle, environmental cleaning. This is our shared responsibility. It's about looking beyond our own front door. A clean community doesn't just look nicer. It actually builds this real sense of collective pride and well-being for everyone who lives there. Okay, so we've covered the why and the what. But what about the how? Let's get practical, right? Here are some unbelievably simple tips that have a massive, massive impact. When it comes to personal hygiene, the secret sauce is consistency. Wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. That's the magic number to really get rid of germs. Brush your teeth twice a day to stop plaque from building up. These tiny, consistent habits are basically your health armor. Now for your home, small habits create this huge ripple effect. Get this, making your bed takes less than 2 minutes, right? But studies show it can boost your sense of accomplishment for the rest of the day. And just wiping down kitchen counters daily prevents all that grime from building up, which makes the big cleaning jobs so much easier. And for our environment, it really just comes down to making conscious choices. Simple stuff, like always using a trash can. But think about this too. If you see a piece of litter and you take a second to pick it up, that small act of caring can actually inspire other people to do the same. It's contagious, but in the best way possible. So how does all of this, personal, home, and environmental care, all tie back to better health? Let's zero in on exactly how cleaning acts as one of our most powerful defenses against getting sick. So here's the crucial point, the main takeaway. Keeping ourselves, our homes, and our communities clean is a powerful, proactive way to stop diseases from spreading. It gets rid of the germs that make us sick, and it creates a healthier world for all of us. It really is a superpower when you think about it. And there's a quote that just says it all. A clean space is a healthy space. A healthy space is a happy space. That simple idea, that's where true well-being really begins. So, I'll leave you with this question. What's one small thing you can clean today to make a difference? Maybe it's wiping down your phone screen or taking out the recycling. Whatever it is, know that you're not just cleaning, you are actively investing in your own health and your own happiness. So, what's your one thing gonna be?